right, let's take a look at the whole bunch of stuff that I got when I was on my latest trip through Europe. Most of this stuff I got in Poland. The Fiat 1500. I think they call this the Polonaise FSO. FSS Polonaise 1500, I believe. Those both came from Poland. The Majorette 60th anniversary cars also came from Poland. As you can see, 1999 zlotys, right there. This would be the Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. The Volvo 240. I don't know, it's an interesting paint job. Looks more like a clown car or something that would deliver ice cream. And, oh yeah, I knew there was another one here. Citroën HY. 60th anniversary of Majorette. I looked for more, but those were the only 3 models that were on the shelves. A couple of these, I guess China-made things, the Zuru metal machines. Oh, look at that roof. Nice red roof. I got the 50 Volkswagen split window Beetle by Texaco. And I found some long cards in Europe, which I found kind of strange. There's that. Another one, a Tesla here. Tesla Roadster in black. I have the red one, which looks pretty good actually. Some stuff that that I had to take out of the packaging because it got all screwed up in the move. Not in the move, but in the traveling. I took a lot of flights, so got moved around and bent cards. This is actually a bent card itself, isn't it? Not in such great shape. These are all short card European. This one also. These were on a deal. If you bought 2, you got the third one for 1 zloty, which, I don't know, 25 cents, I think. It was sort of like that. That was the conversion at the time. And that's basically what I grabbed on my last little vacay. Not a lot this time. I usually get a lot more, but there just wasn't a lot on the racks.